Run, Jenny, run. Wow, ang galing! Ang ganda-ganda ng shoes na binyagan. Ayun na! Run, Jenny, run!
Just join the fun runs. Not only are we able to support their fundraising for a cause, but also for ourselves to go to other beautiful places in the Philippines, work up a sweat, and refresh from work. Super happy that we've been a part of a very organized, many freebies like eggs, banana, water, mogo-mogo, lemon square, and raffles of devices, gadgets, and many more.
Saging, so uwi na kami. Tapos na yung goal namin. Okay ka ba? May metal din. So we are so happy na uuwi from here at Crucendo Tarlac City. Kahit malayo yung pinanggalingan namin, pumunta kami kasi gusto lang din talaga namin mag-fun run or fun walk man yan and mag-refresh din after a stressful week. And Sunday today, after this, dadaan kami sa mass. Magmamas kami ng sister ko.
We're going to the church.
We're so glad and happy na uuwi kasi super organized. Super organized yung fun run dito sa Crucendo. Initiated by Integrated Bar of the Philippines. So kudos po sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Ang galing.
Cheers.
Super. And mababa lang yung registration fee. And ang ganda ng singlet guys. Quality. Hindi siya disposable. Sobrang na-appreciate ko ang Integrated Bar of the Philippines sa pag-initiate ng isang fun run na to. Sobrang dami din ng participants ha. And hindi lang nila ina-award yung mga top runners. Ina-award nila lahat kahit na naglalakad ka, kahit na gumagapang ka na. Basta na-finish mo yung PM or na-finish mo yung run.
That's surprising though.
May medal ka guys. Ayun, ang ganda ng medal.
Kaya sumali na kayo
tingnan
ngayon.
mo.
Wala
Diba? It's my horoscope, the Libra. Diba? Ito yung horoscope ng Libra Timbangan. Siyempre, nire-represent niya yung justice, diba? Ayan. Kaya Run for Justice yung team nila. Sa runners lang.
Just judge me by the
Lahat hindi lang hindi nila dinajudge yung nagtumatakbo lang, pati din yung mga nagbuwang. Hindi nila pinapanalize ng imprisonment, penalty, binibigyan nila ng award. Diba? Kudos po sa ating Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Thank you so much. And aside from that, ang dami nilang goodies. Ang dami nilang freebies, no?
May tubig.
Meron silang itlog, meron silang saging, meron silang cupcake from Lemon Square, I think, kasi sponsor nila yung Lemon Square. May water. Pisa-pisa na. Meron silang Lemon Square, meron silang mga patubig. Ayan, may patubig sila. And meron din silang mogo-mogo, guys. Nakadalawa kami ng free taste ng mogo-mogo doon. Ang sarap-sarap.
kami dito para kumain.
Actually, ang saya-saya. Diba? Nakapag-run ka na, nakapag-walk ka na, may fun ka pa.
Matulog na nga.
May tropa sa likod. May tropa sa likod. So let's go home. Let's go, guys. Anong pakiramdam dahil nagka-medal tayo ngayon?
Ang saya-saya.
Sa fun run natin.
Ang saya-saya.
Alam mo ba, ano yung pinaka-best na reward mo na nakuha sa fun run, Sisi, so far?
The medal and the coffee and the lemon bar.
What else?
And I have Eduardo calling me.
Hindi, diba? Second, ano mo to? Second fun run mo to na sumama. Tapos, nung unang fun run mo,
I have a medal.
you don't have a medal,
Oh, not
but
yet.
you have the grand prize, which
Yes.
is...
My Eduardo.
Langaw naman eh! Panira ng